You forgot your umbrella, it's pouring, do you walk and stay calm, or run and smash face first into a wall of raindrops? Most people just guess, but physics has a surprisingly clear answer, and the logic behind it will genuinely change how you think about rain. Here's what makes this tricky. Running gets you out of the rain faster, that seems obvious, but running also means your chest, legs, and front are slamming into sideways raindrops that a slower person would never hit. So, are you actually helping yourself or just trading one problem for another? Let's break it down properly. First, the rain hitting the top of your body. Here's the mind bending part. It doesn't matter how fast you move, walk, jog, or sprint, the same amount of rain lands on your head and shoulders every second. Why? Because as you dodge one raindrop, you step directly into the path of the next one. The top of you gets equally soaked no matter what. Now, the rain hitting your front. This one also doesn't change with speed, but for a different reason. Think of it like a snowplow. Whether it drives slow or fast, it clears the exact same amount of snow from a stretch of a road. Same idea here. You'll collide with the same number of front-facing raindrops over a fixed distance, regardless of pace. So here's the key insight. Your total wetness equals rain from above into time spent outside plus rain from the front into distance traveled. The distance never changes, but the time does. The only variable you can actually control is how long you stay in the rain. So the math is simple. Run as fast as you can. Every extra second you spend outside adds more rain on top of you for zero benefit. The front of you gets equally soaked either way, so you may as well get it over with quickly. So next time it pours, you're not just running because you're cold, you're running because physics told you to.